Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you how I learned and mastered tailoring quickly. Many people spent years learning fashion designing yet struggle with the basics. There's a common belief that the more time you spend, the better you get. But that's not always true. Some people have spent 5 years or more in learning fashion designing and still find it difficult to progress. First of all, you have to learn on your own. One of the fastest ways to learn tailoring is by studying and practicing on your own. I know this may sound confusing, especially if you are already enrolled in a fashion school or apprenticing with someone. But tailoring is very broad. There are countless styles, garments, and techniques. If you rely on what your school or your tutor teaches you, you might have spent 2 to 3 years without making any significant progress. When I was in fashion school, I would attend classes, then go home, research online, and practice by myself. Sometimes I would return to my tutor and show what I have learned. Many times my tutor would be surprised at my progress. That independent learning pushed me far ahead. Often, the most important skills you will acquire are the ones you learn on your own. Number 2 point is build a strong foundation. Another reason why many people struggle is because they lack foundational knowledge. For example, understanding fabric quality, knowing the difference between natural and artificial fabrics, choosing the right needle size for different fabrics, learning how to cut fabric correctly, following the grain lines. Without these basics, you can easily make mistakes even years into your learning. A simple error in foundation knowledge can cause frustration and slow your progress. Third point is stay focused. Distraction is another big reason people don't master tailoring quickly. Jumping from one technique to another or switching styles without proper mastery slows your growth. Focus on one area at a time until you gain confidence and mastery of it. Practice consistently. Finally, inconsistency is one of the biggest killers of progress. Learning tailoring is like building muscles. If you exercise regularly, your muscles grow stronger. But if you stop and restart after weeks, it feels like you are starting all over again. Tailoring works the same way. When you practice constantly, your skills improve and stay sharp. But if you practice once in a while, say today, then wait like 10 to 14 days before you practice, you will forget the techniques and struggle to relearn them. Even when you think you have mastered something, leaving it for too long can cause you to forget. In conclusion, so if you want to learn and master tailoring faster, go beyond your classes, build a strong foundation, stay focused, and practice constantly. Then that is how you see your real growth.